everybody, hey, what's up everybody, what's up, people? Coming to you live, House of X Entertainment presents It's Me, Winston, yes, honey, coming to you now live. What's up Twitter family, what's up YouTube family, what's up Facebook family, and my Instagram peoples, what you guys doing out there? It's me, Winston, yes, honey, is now live, coming to you with the morning time talk, coming to you with the extreme news, coming to you with the lovely reviews, and also the real topics. And of course, you know, you gotta have your celebrity hotline, honey. What Miss Nicki Minaj and Trina doing today, and Miss Cardi B. So coming to you now live is It's Me, Winston, yes, honey, bringing all the good juicy gossip and all the good inspiration, and a good lovely prayer, honey. It's Me, Winston, yes, honey. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Grab your coffee, grab your soda, and grab your water, because It's Me, Winston, is here to party. Everybody, it's me, Winston, yes, honey, yes. Welcome to another episode of Cook With Me. Guys, I'm so sorry. I know I have not done a Cook With Me episode in a while, but I do apologize. So today we are making black rice and beans. Ooh, I gotta get the rice, honey. Forgot the rice. And we are also making whole chicken rum barbecue. Yeah, so we're gonna put a splash of rum, yes honey, in the barbecue sauce. So the first thing that we're going to do, you always want to make sure that you clean your chicken, as you can see, and make sure your hands is washed nicely. So we're gonna season her, yes, but what I did, I made sure I stabbed her just a little bit, so that the flavor and everything can get on up in there. So you season her with some adobo seasoning. Yes, honey. We got some, I didn't get onion powder this time, guys, but I did get some chopped onions, because apparently the store did not have no onion powder. So we got some garlic powder here. Okay, got some garlic powder. Now we're gonna get some black pepper. Okay, now we're gonna season this. We're gonna make sure it's well, you massage it real good, so it's spread it all around the whole chicken. So I can show you guys. Say hello, yes. Okay, now you get 1 pack of your sazon. See guys, 1 pack. Okay. Okay, now after we mix this up, okay. Alright. Do that real good. Okay guys? Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna wash our hands, because you know we don't want to have dirty hands messing with food. And we'll be right back. Okay guys, now that we have seasoned the whole chicken, let me show you. See, she's well seasoned. Yes. Okay, now we're gonna make our barbecue sauce. I like to make my barbecue sauce from scratch. However, so I put a little bit of maple in here. Now, the sauce, barbecue sauce I use, you can use any kind of barbecue sauce, however you feel. This one is Sweet Honey. It's by Kraft. Oh, this is a doozy. Okay. Yes. So, oh boy, this one. Okay, so this is by Kraft. And now we're gonna put the rum. Now you can get a little glass like this. Now you add a little bit of cinnamon. A little bit of cinnamon. Some sugar. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now you mix her. Yes, sorry guys. Then you mix her. Now, if you want to taste it, to make sure it's not too, you can still add the rest of the rum. So, let's see how it tastes. Good. Now, for those of you that's from New York, if you've ever been to BBQs, they have Hennessy wings. So this is my version of a rum barbecue whole chicken. Yes. Now, in order to make sure that the whole chicken gets justice, you want to turn it over, mix it in and everything so that it doesn't turn it over, mix it up and everything. So yeah, so turn it over, mix it in and everything. Now what you're going to do is to put this on 400 on a slow cook and let it cook, guys, and we shall be back to do our rice and our veggies, guys. See you soon, guys. So we are back to do our rice and our veggies. Of course, you know I love my Goya black beans. So this is Goya black beans. You should know how to do this already. So I want you to put in the comment section what you put in for the Goya black beans. Yes. Okay, so we put the beans in the pan. Now, I do not measure my rice. I do as my judgment. So I think that's just about right for some rice and for the servings. Of course, we're gonna put our adobo, black pepper, okay, onion, just a little bit of this because this is chopped onions. And then we have our garlic powder. Yeah, now we're gonna put our butter, a big scoop of butter, not too much. You want high cholesterol, okay? And then you're gonna stir it. Stir it, and then you put a medium, not too full of water, but this is how your rice looks. Not too much of water. Now I have a little bit of broccoli here, so we're gonna put some adobo. Same thing like the last time. Just a little bit of this, and some garlic, and some butter. And guys, this is the rice and the veggies, guys, and I'll be back with the finishing touches, guys. Stay tuned.